Hey, I'm Lisa, and today I'm doing a homemaker vlog, so come along and bake with me as we bake some homemade from scratch apple pie. We're also gonna do some cleaning, and I'm gonna be doing a little DIY kind of November challenge. But for those of you that are new to our channel, this is mine and my husband's channel, and you heard that noise over there. That's our baby River. He is just 3 months old. So if you are interested in seeing what our life is like, our family, we do vlogs. We also talk about our faith. We do DIY, cleaning, home stuff, recipes, all different kinds of things. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. So first I'm gonna make my apple pie, and I wanted to show you guys something I got for it that I'm gonna do a little bit different with the crust. So I got this Wilton cookie cutter set. It's like a fall set, so it has leaves, acorns, pumpkins, all different stuff. So I thought this would be really cute to do for the top of the pie crust. But let's get to making our dough. So this is the flour that I use, the Bob's Red Mill 1-to-1 baking flour. We also used to make our own gluten-free flour. That's really good, but when I buy flour, this is the one I prefer to use. So the pie dough I'm making is actually a new recipe I've never tried, because right now we are dairy-free and egg-free. Bry can't have eggs because he's intolerant to them, and we've noticed that when I drink dairy or eat dairy, it upsets River's stomach. It makes him really gassy, so I'm avoiding dairy while I'm breastfeeding. And so I had to try a new pie recipe out. I found a vegan one, and we're gonna try that out. Use coconut oil, but I will link our gluten-free. Oh, that's another thing. We're gluten-free too, in case you're new. But so we have like a lot of stuff going on. I have another pie recipe that I used to use that was gluten-free that was really, really good. So I'll have that linked below too, for those of you that don't have to do the whole dairy-free thing. So I needed way more cold water than what the recipe said. I like lost track after 14 tablespoons. And I think it's because it's the gluten-free flour that I needed a lot more, but I got it to come together. So now I'm just gonna put this into 2 separate little discs and put that in the fridge for now. Peeled apples for the apple pie. I had to make a little change here. I'm wearing River right now because he was starting to get all fussy. So one little tip I have, traditionally you use Granny Smith apples for apple pie, but growing up my mom would always use an assortment of different apples in her pie, and that's what I continue to do. Like, you can pretty much use any apples you want, put a couple different kinds in your pie. I do have 5 Granny Smith, and then I had 2 of these other kind of apples. They were really big. I think they were like some sort of honey crisp or something. This part with the apples, I'm literally just kind of guessing on. I'd always put a little bit of flour, cinnamon, and sugar. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of salt too, just to help bring out the flavors. But I'm using some gluten-free flour. I'm just starting with a tablespoon. I'm just gonna coat the apples a little bit. This just helps to absorb all the juice that these apples are gonna let out. So like the filling gets like kind of thicker in there. It's not super watery. I'm gonna do 1 more tablespoon. And then I'm gonna put some cinnamon. Again, I'm just gonna sprinkle some on there. I'm not using exact measurements. You can kind of just do this to taste. And then we're gonna add some sugar. The apples will of course get sweeter when they bake in the pie in the oven, but a little bit of sugar helps too. Or in this case, I'm using the organic brown coconut sugar by Big Tree Farms. Mix it all together, and River's going crazy over here. Oh, it's so cute. These are how my apples look now. So I have my bottom crust. It did get a little crumbly. That's the thing about gluten-free dough. Sometimes you have to work with it, especially since this one doesn't have butter in it. It's the coconut oil. But I was able to get it in there. And then I put some fork holes in it. And then I'm gonna put my apples in here. Look at how delicious that looks. Okay, so now I have my second pie crust rolled out. So now I'm gonna use my little cookie cutters I was talking about and just start cutting out little pie crust cookies that I can use for the top crust. So now that my pie's in the oven, we're gonna work on the DIY I was talking about. So I had this idea since, well, when I'm filming this, it's not November, but it's a couple days till November, but when you're seeing this, it's November 1st. So, of course, this month we have Thanksgiving. So I thought it'd be really cool to keep a little, like, gratitude, thankful journal. And the whole idea is to write something you're thankful for each day through November. So I got this little journal. It's black with gold polka dots. It was $4, $3.99 from Target. So this is the journal I'm gonna use. And then what I wanna do with mine is I kinda wanna keep it, like make it like a little journal rather than just saying, today I'm thankful for this. I am gonna write that, but I also wanna take pictures every day. I thought that would be really fun. So I have a little Instax Mini camera, so I'm going to use this for my little pictures. That way I just have instant pictures, and I'm going to tape them inside the pages of this notebook. So it's kind of just like a little journal for every day through November, along with like what I'm thankful for. And also at Target, they had these in the Target dollar spot or whatever. They were little fall themed washi tape. I can use these to decorate the pages and put the pictures on the pages. So I took a picture of my Bible. I'm thankful for my relationship with Christ and for my Bible that I get to study out of. So I'm going to put that in there. And I'm also think I'm going to take a picture of the apple pie later when it's done and say I'm thankful for apple pie. This is what I have so far, the little front page, and then the first thing right here. It's just kind of a way to document the month, but also just realizing what you have and what you're thankful for, and I just think this is just a really fun idea, so I'm excited to do this and keep this up through this month. And look what I just pulled out of the oven, the apple pie is done. Okay guys, got my little pictures of the pie. Got River here next to me, and we're gonna cut this pie and try it. Oh, this is hard to do with one hand. Oh, I gotta put you down for a second. So this crust is quite crunchy. I think it's just because it's the gluten-free flour and the coconut oil, but it still looks good. It's really hard to cut. Okay, so it's not bad. It's not the best. I definitely like my gluten-free crust that I used to make better because it tastes more just like regular pie dough, but you can't even tell the difference. This one you can tell it's different. It's a lot more crunchier, like a cracker, but for not being able to have dairy and egg, this is still pretty good. All right, y'all, so it's the next day. I thought I was gonna film all this in one day, but life and being a mom, it happened. So I got my Grove order in later yesterday, so I wanna show you what I got.
Watch mama, look at mama.
He's just staring at you. Ooh. Let's see what we got in here. Walnut scrubber sponges, Mrs. Meyer's peppermint dish soap, Mrs. Meyer's peppermint cleaning spray, Mrs. Meyer's peppermint hand soap, Mrs. Meyer's Lavender Body Wash, which this also works really well as a bubble bath. Last but not least, a Red Grove Kitchen Cleaning Caddy. So cute. All right, y'all, so this is the special deal that is going on this month with Grove Collaborative and Mrs. Meyer. I've been using Grove Collaborative for a year and a half now. I just go online onto their website, put all my cleaning supplies that I need for that month into my cart. It gets delivered to my door. It's super fast shipping. I have everything I need. I don't really have to think about it. I don't have to forget something like when I'm out at the store and then I'm out of it. It's just so simple and easy. And they have all the products I prefer to use, stuff that's more toxic free and natural, like Mrs. Meyer's goodies here. So if you have not signed up for Grove Collaborative before, this is the time to do it. We all need cleaning supplies for our home, so if you go on their website and you sign up as a new customer and place a $20 or more order, just getting your normal cleaning supplies you would get anyways, you're gonna get all this for free. That is the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, multi-surface cleaner, hand soap, and any one of their Christmas holiday scents. They have peppermint like I have here, Iowa pine, and they have orange clove. Peppermint is my personal favorite. But you're also going to get the Grove Walnut Scrubber Sponges. These sponges are such high quality, they last a long time, and they work really well. And you're gonna get this Grove Collaborative red little cleaning caddy, which is adorable. So all this, if you sign up as a new customer and you place a $20 or more order, this right here is over $30. I think it might actually be even over $40 worth of free product. That's such a great offer. You'll get free shipping, a free VIP trial, and if you like their service, you can stay with it and keep getting your cleaning supplies through them, or you can always cancel and hold off your orders in the future if you want. That's totally up to you. And if you happen to go on there and you're really liking what you're seeing and you spend a little bit more, if you spend $39 or more, you're gonna get all this still for free, but you're also going to get one of their Grove stoneware trays for free. I have one of their stoneware trays in my kitchen, and I just keep all like my little essentials like my dish soap and hand soap on it, and it just keeps it kind of nice and cute. And if you are already a Grove Collaborative customer, you can still get a pack of the free walnut cellulose scrubber sponges by using my link. So for any of that, you use the one link below in the description. I will also let you guys know that I am an affiliate with Grove Collaborative, and that's honestly because I love using their service too. So whenever you use my link, you are helping out me and my family. So thank you for those of you that use our link. But now I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff to use and do some cleaning. Lately, I've been trying, I have not been perfect at it yet, but I've been using a cleaning kind of routine system from Fly Lady. She has a website like with a whole blog and has like this whole like outline on how to declutter and clean your home and how to do it easily and manageably. She's all about not letting perfectionism stop you, which that's something I struggle with. If I can't like get it all done, I'll just kind of like give up, to be honest. So she's very much about just start where you're at, just put in a little bit of time. You don't have to feel like you have to catch up. So I really like, hi bud, it's okay. He's being so patient with me right now. But I just really like that because it kind of just works for us right now. I can't keep my house super tidy and clean right now just with having a baby. It is harder. But this does keep it more manageable. Yeah, are you just talking to me? Are you talking to me? So once a week she has this routine called the Bless Your Home routine. You just spend an hour cleaning your house, like dusting, doing windows and mirrors, vacuuming, like just kind of like all like the basic stuff you would do each week. So I'm gonna spend an hour and just get as much stuff as I can done, and I'm gonna be wearing Baby River while doing it. So let's get to cleaning. So this is my little cleaning list that I made. This actually equals out to 50 minutes, so it just gives me some overtime on each task if I need it. But I'm gonna set, River just keeps talking. I'm gonna set my timer for an hour and try to get as much done as I can.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this heart place. never get to open 'cause it's too late. I could be the one who saves you from this place. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me, find me, find me.
We did our bless our home cleaning hour. This little guy, he fell asleep a couple times. He's asleep right now, just sucking on his pacifier. So I feel like we did pretty good. Obviously, my whole house isn't entirely clean. My kitchen is a mess right now, to be honest. But this little bless our home hour just kind of helps maintain things. All right, so that is it for this fall homemaker vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed baking with me, cleaning with me, doing that little DIY that we did. And if you decide to do that little DIY journal challenge for November, tag me in your pictures of your journal on Instagram at Lisa M. Riggs, and make sure you use the hashtag Fall Fridays because I really want to see your journals that you do. And remember, if you're interested in that Grove and Mrs. Meyer's offer, use my link below in the description, and existing customers get those free walnut scrubber sponges, so make sure you get those for yourself too. River agrees. He says that you should use that deal. All right, everyone, I'll see you in our next video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the little bell to get notifications whenever we post a video. I love you all. See you in our next video. Bye.